that as a council we are ready as with you to mark this day after we exit for us. As you told the governors, deputy governors, the CEC members, the chiefs, this republic. And really, we are proud of you.
From the governor and from the CEO for both national and local.
And we are all proud to be associated. Not just
I would request all our brothers who are working in various sectors of economy in this country and abroad to come back and assist in building Meru together, because Meru belongs to all of us and there is no one amongst us who can, brag that they can do this assignment alone. We can only do it together, and my leadership will be a leadership of inclusivity and consultation. That is what I promise to offer to the people of Meru.